Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. This unboxing is from DIYChoose. They did send me these items for review, so thank you to DIYChoose. So let's just do, which one's lighter? This one. And I forgot to open them, but that's what scissors are for. So this one is a special shaped diamond painting here. It's $5.39, and it has the ordinary toolkit. Like I said, special drills here. And it's this one here. It's these butterflies. I could probably move you down a little bit. In a circle. I don't know if it's really considered a mandala. So there's 18 colors. It does look like there are crystal code in here. And let's see. Oh. And there are, it looks like the typical drill field for these specials that have the symbols in white, in black, and in a white circle here. And this one is $5.39. And while I remember, let's measure it. It's a 25 by 25. And some purple, clear, some blue, greens, pinks, orange. Ooh, I think I might have gotten these before. It's these yellow flowers, or it might have been a different color. Some blue teardrops here, some blue marquees, some teardrops, some big green ones, big ooh, these big dome gold ones. I don't know why I like them. I don't think I've gotten these purple teardrops before. And then some green here. So, yeah, did I say this was $5.39? Possibly. So, next one, which I forgot to cut also. There. This one should be a full round drill diamond painting. So, ordinary toolkit. These are round drills. And ta-da! It's a cat hugging a sunflower. Isn't it cute? So the background sunflowers might not turn out, but I think the cat will. So there are 21 colors. It looks like all the symbols are letters. And wow, the cat actually has a good amount of confetti. Look at that. It's not horrible confetti, but you would think that it's mostly black. No, look at that. I mean, the white is pretty color blocked, and then the flowers are actually pretty confetti-y too. I'm not scared of confetti, but I was just more surprised how much confetti there is actually on it. And if you're new to diamond painting, when you're talking about confetti, is when you don't have massive amounts of symbols that are the same, so it's confetti. And then color blocking is things like this, where, see, all the eyes are together. So let's look at the drills. And let's see. So some white and blue here. Some brown, greens, brown, greens. Some more browns and yellows. Oh, what happened here? I think it got correctly separated, but that's the first time I've seen the the machine get sealed that way. Some yellows and then some pinks. But I think it's still, even though it got crimped that way, I think it looked like it still separated them out. So did I say this was $5.69? If I didn't, I just said it. And it is a 24 by 33 and a half. So next diamond painting. This one is in a box. Okay. I can get it out. Okay. So this is a wreath, ordinary toolkit, except there's a couple baggies. So this does come with a chain to hang this, and these are special drills, and it's this direction here. So it's this apple and flowers wreath here. I think it looks cute. I liked it because it had the apples. So I'm going to go for, this is a fallish wreath, but not completely fallish. So it does look like it's just numbers for their symbols. Nothing is too tiny or anything that I could see here. And ooh, this one is $18.29, and it is about 28 by, yeah, about 28 by 28. And let's look at the drills. Let's see. Oh, there's tons of this one. I actually have, I have tons of this in my stash. Oh, I think I've never gotten this one. It's a like orangey domey drill. Some purple domey drills. I might not have gotten that before. I probably have the red ones, and then I don't know if I have this blue one, but it's really pretty. So the rest looks like it's regular sized rhinestones here. So some orange, greens, more greens, some yellows, reds, and pinks, and then some clears. So yeah, I like it when I get drills that I don't have before. Because you've probably seen my stash. Oh, I should put this in here so I don't get lost. So yeah, this wreath, I measured it. I'm trying to think, did I measure it? So yeah, that's the last one for this unboxing. So let me move you. Do I need to move you up? Maybe move you a little bit up, so I could get this in there. So yeah, there's a possibility that only this gets diamond painted. Maybe that one, maybe this one. I don't know. It all just depends on what actually gets. I kit up a whole bunch, and then, but I try to show a finish in every single, or not every, I try to show a finish in my unboxings. It might not always happen, and I might only just do one, but I do try to show a finish. So I will see you later, hopefully with a finish. So I'm back, and this one is finished here. I actually wasn't planning to diamond paint this, but then I had extra time one day and I was like, let's just diamond paint it. And I hadn't posted this video yet. So, well, I hadn't recorded and posted the finished video yet. So I was like, I could add this in. And plus, I think there's an event going on now that has something to do with flying animals or something. I don't know. I don't pay attention to the events as much as I used to because I don't have time. But yeah, no, this one is finished here. I think it's very beautiful. Has the butterflies here and then the flowers, and I like that it's a lot of special shapes. I'm really a big fan of flowers that are what do you call that? are rendered using these teardrops and marquees, because I think they just look awesome. Well, these are mostly marquees, but here these ones are teardrops. But yeah, I think flowers that are the special shaped flowers that are rendered with the marquees and teardrops just look an extra bit of special. So one thing so what did I write? Let's see. Since I'm the one who did this, I have a little bit more stuff to say. So this one actually had 18 colors, remarkably. This was a 25 by 25 with 18 colors, 7 crystal rhinestones, and 11 specials. I actually didn't really kit this up. I did it how I did my old way of doing specials, is where I would cut each thing up and then I'd put the extras in a bag. So I would cut one open, do the whole thing, put it in a zip bag, cut the next one, do the whole thing. And then that's how I used to do these ones until I was kitting it up for my mom. But since I am doing it myself, there is no kitting up. So yeah. So let's see. I thought the rendering was okay, the symbols were okay, the stick was okay, the canvas was average. When I say average, I don't mean that they were bad. It was just, they were the normal ones I get, so there was nothing like exceptional, nothing awesome, nothing bad. And then gapping is not applicable. Okay, so one thing is number 7, which, you know, here it says it's 7. And on the canvas, it was just a blank circle, so there was no number 7, but I inferred that it was it was the one with the blank circle because there was nothing else. It was actually the last one of, since I told you I was doing them in order, it was the last one of the regular rhinestone, like the regular 2.8 millimeter size drills, and there was nothing else other than this orange here. So it did not have a symbol, it just had a white circle. And then number 8, which is number 8, which were these flower drills. I think might have been the wrong drill, because, okay, so the flower drill showed up here, like, see, it's in the middle of the flower. Here's another one in the middle of the flower. Here's another one in the middle of the flower. So they were these ones that were in the middle of the flower. And while it looks awesome, it just seems strange that that was the drill that was in the middle of the flower. Because usually you would see something like this, like a gold drill here, or like a round drill. But in the middle of the flower is this little flower drill. And I was like, okay, it was strange. I was putting it in. I was like, okay, that works. But then when I was looking at the original image, if you see here in between that flower, it's this, looks like a pink, or not, like a reddish or like a dark pink drill in there. While here it has this yellow drill here. And I could have went to my stash and got like the correct drill. I probably have something similar, but I actually thought in the whole scope of things, it still looked very nice to have that special. So that was my only thing. I was like, it seems strange, but it still looks nice. So I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna leave it as is. So yeah, no, I think other than that, I think this looks really beautiful. It was really fun to do. And wait, did I even talk about how long? So this took me 1 hour and 43 minutes. Over in a 1-day period. But yeah, that's all I had. Other than number 7 not having a symbol, but just being a white circle, and then this possibly not being the right drill. Even though it's not the right drill, it still looks actually very pretty on there. So it works. So next one. So this one was actually finished by my mom like almost a month ago. Or more than a month ago. I don't know anymore. Almost a month ago, because I finished mine on 4/7/2022. My mom finished this one on 3/10/2022. So yeah, no, it's yeah. So you might not realize there is usually a couple weeks between my unboxing part of the video and the finish video, because I don't know about you, but I don't finish them in like that fast. So yeah. Here is this one here. It's this apple wreath. It actually is double-sided. So there's the wreath here and then the wreath this way. So yeah, it's finished here, and I think it looks it looks interesting. I don't know if the apples turned out like they don't know. I don't know if they look like apples so much and things like that. But I think in the whole scope of things, I think it's pretty. Just a little bit, yeah. Yeah, the apples don't look too appley, but I think it still looks pretty. And then I'm not sure about this drill here, because I'm not sure if it matches these colors here, but it still looks pretty. It's just more like, okay, I think it can work. I do like these different color drills here that look like berries. They look really nice. And yeah, no, other than I'm not sure if this orange drill here matches the color of the drills in here. I think it still looks really nice. And I've already sealed this like a month ago. I don't remember which sealer I used. I just bought a whole bunch of spray sealers at one point. I was planning to make a video on the difference of them, and it hasn't happened because it got too cold for me to make a video. And I will make that video in the future once it's actually more consistently warm. So let's see. The wreath is about a 28-inch diameter. 28 centimeter diameter, with 16 colors, 11 crystal rhinestones, and 5 specials. My mom did this over one day, which this is a lot to do over one day, but she did it over one day. But yeah, I think it looks. See, that's the thing. When I'm not the one who diamond painted it, I'm like, I have nothing to say other than, yeah, look, it's pretty. I'm not sure, like I said, I'm not sure about the color choice here, but it still looks pretty nonetheless. So yeah, here are the 2 finishes for this unboxing. So thank you to DIYChoose for sending these items for review, and thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye!